Welcome everyone, this is Faisal, your host from M4L Studios. Today I'm unboxing the LSI SATA SAS Host Bus Adapter, the LSI 9211-8i. There's some literature that comes with it, the utilities that come with it, and they also give the extra low profile, which is very nice of them. So here is the card. This card uses PCI Express 2.0 host interface, and you have to use the 32-bit slots when you use this card. This diagram will help you see how it's used. This card features up to 6 GB transfer rates per SAS port. It supports both SATA and SATA drives. It has integrated RAID 0, 1, 1E, and 1010. It is backward compatible to the 3 GB older SATA and SAS devices. The connectors here that you see are the 8087 connectors. They are the internal 8087 connectors, and they are also known as internal mini connectors, internal mini SAS connector, internal mini SAS 4i, internal mini SAS 36-pin connectors. The typical use for this card is great for high performance workstations, the high to mid-end high-end servers, 1U, 2U Rack 2 servers, detached direct attached SAS and SATA hard disk drives, JBOD, and external RAID enclosures. Typical applications for this device are data mining, database servers, data archiving, scientific simulation, and video streaming. Hope this helps, and please click and subscribe if you like this video.